Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your Yahoo account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To delete your Yahoo account, you need to open a web browser and type in yahoo.mydashboard.oath.com/delete-my-account. or paste in the link I have left in the video description. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Continue deleting my account. If you are not logged in to Yahoo, you will have to log in here. On the next page, enter your email address and then click on Yes, cancel this account. Your account has now been deactivated and will be deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.